So you gotta embody it. You gotta feel it. You gotta know it. You gotta have it deep in your spirit, deep in your heart. Say, I know I'm great. I believe I'm great. And you will shower the world with your greatness. Only you can do what you can do. Transformation starts from within. You cannot transform others if you do not first transform yourself.
I met Dr. Ralph Hughes at the Miami-Dade Police Department. He was our guest speaker, and his ability to deliver a speech with such poise, elegance, and clear message, inspirational, was amazing. He really wowed the crowd, and everyone was blown away.
I have over 30 years of combined leadership experience and education. I have been very fortunate to speak at major for-profit corporations, government organizations, educational institutions, nonprofits, and churches. And I have had the honor of training thousands of people globally. Over the years, I have been sharing my message and my story about my background and how I was able to connect my personal life experiences within the fields of business, education, and government.
Dr. Ralph Hughes is not only a charismatic leader, he is a voice to be reckoned with.
Ralph Hughes, he's a dynamic and captivating speaker.
Audience members have shared with me after speaking events that they actually felt as though I cared and it was talking directly to them, as though I understood their issues and gave them ideas and practical solutions they can implement immediately. Organizational leaders and event planners bring me into their organizations and events because they want their teams and audience members inspired and challenged to exceed expectations and how to bring the best out of themselves every single day. I do this in such a way that is impactful and substantive. This is based on my tried and true speaking formula that engages, entertains, and educates participants so they can retain the information and be in control of their destinies. I always say that motivation is temporary, but inspiration lasts a lifetime. There are many great and truly amazing speakers and trainers, but what sets me apart is my passion for people, passion for knowledge, and my uncanny ability of imparting information to others that they can incorporate in their lives immediately. I provide practical solutions that can help them improve their lives by exceeding expectations and overcoming their pain points. My passion for people and knowledge is evident in every speaking event or training workshop, regardless of the audience size, making each individual feel valued and respected.
Dr. Ralph Hughes is a powerful, engaging speaker. His ability to connect with his audience and break down complex leadership concepts leave participants feeling inspired, empowered, and equipped to drive positive change in their organization.
I look forward to hearing more about your organization and how I can help you and your fellow team members exceed expectations, develop a leadership mindset, and be whole and complete as a leader and as a person.